Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a working clock model. First, gather your essential materials to begin this exciting project. You will need a compact battery-powered clock movement available at most craft stores, alongside thin craft wood for constructing the gears and frame. A sturdy base, perhaps 6 inches by 6 inches, provides the foundation. Ensure you have strong adhesive and a craft knife ready. These precise components are crucial for a functional and accurate model. Now, let's focus on the heart of your clock, the gear system. Carefully cut out 3 gears from your craft wood, following a template for accuracy. The large minute gear should have 60 teeth, while the smaller hour gear requires 12 teeth. A connecting gear with 30 teeth will link these two, ensuring the correct 1:5 ratio for timekeeping. Mount these gears on a small wooden dowels, allowing them to spin freely and mesh perfectly. This careful construction ensures your clock keeps precise time. With the gears in place, it is time to attach the hands and power source. Carefully secure the hour and minute hands onto the clock movement's central shaft, ensuring they align correctly at 12 o'clock. Test that both hands rotate freely without touching each other or the clock face. Then, insert a fresh 1.5-volt AA battery into the designated compartment of the clock movement. This step provides the necessary energy to bring your creation to life, initiating its steady timekeeping function. Finally, it is time for calibration and testing. Set your clock to the precise current time using the small adjustment wheel located on the back of the movement. Observe its operation for a minimum of 1 hour, verifying that the hands move smoothly and keep accurate time. Listen for any unusual sounds, which might indicate friction or misalignment. Make any necessary fine-tuning adjustments, ensuring your beautifully crafted clock model functions perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.